Teacher Louise uses the directed reading thinking activity in her lessons, or the DRTA. So which of the following is not, we're talking about the one that is excluded in this strategy. So is it making predictions, confirming or revising predictions, silent sustained reading, or asking guiding questions? So ano ba yung DRTA? It's a reading comprehension strategy where we intend to engage the students to active thinking habang nagbabasa sila. Okay, so kung titingnan natin yung mga steps sa DRTA, ito sila. Of course, ayan, yung making predictions, this is done before the reading part. Then, after that, sa kanila, babasahin yung portion ng text. Then after that, the teacher will ask guiding question para ma-stimulate nga yung thinking nila while they are reading. Then, dyan papasok yung confirming or revising predictions where they adjust their understanding during their reading. So, alin yung hindi kasama doon? So, tumpak na naman ang mga sagot nyo that because it's letter C. Okay? It's silent sustained reading. Kasi kung papabasahin lang natin sila, like independent lang, tapos hahayaan natin sila without even asking them guiding questions or giving them prompts while they are reading, wala. Walang stimulation of active thinking doon.